Digits on the beat.
What's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today is going to be a quick short video of some extra interior mod that I ordered. And I've talked to a lot of other companies, like this company on my shirt, Next Gen Speed. I talked to them and asked them, what would be cool if there was a carbon fiber piece where the in the 2016 Camaro for the armrest. And so I hit up two companies, Next Gen Speed, and I think it was Carbon Creations on Instagram. And I gave them, my idea, and they was like, yeah, that would be cool. So one company actually came up with this mod. It was neither of those two. It's a company called True Fiber. So without further ado, let's get into it. Back, guys. So as I stated earlier, it's a carbon fiber piece that came from True Fiber on Instagram. So we got a little free mask. You see right here, it says True Fiber. And here's the actual centerpiece. Get a little pamphlet. Nice packaging to make sure the part didn't get damaged. So there it is. Carbon fiber center armrest. And this is real carbon fiber. It's not the hydro dipped carbon fiber. So I hope it looks good in the car, because I have a lot of hydro dip pieces of carbon fiber. This is actual real carbon fiber. So without further ado, let's go downstairs and let's get it. We made our way downstairs to the garage and we will be installing the True Fiber centerpiece console. So for this installation, all you need is some alcohol, a microfiber towel, and a blow dryer, which my blow dryer is on my front seat. You probably can't see it right now, but on my front seat. Or you need some type of heat, because all it is little 3M tape. So what you do is you peel this off, heat up the, once you peel this white tape off, you heat it up. Heat it up for, a few seconds till it gets warm or hot. And then you pretty much place it in there and, you form it to the center console, and then that's it. So since I'm recording, the next time I turn this camera on, the part will be on the center console. So the next time you see me, it'll be on there. So, all right, so we're back, YouTube. So as you can see, got it put on, fits nicely. This is real carbon fiber. This is hydro dipped. And I'm gonna tell you the main difference between the two. As you can see, this real carbon fiber, look at the weave pattern and look how much it shines compared to this weave pattern. See the difference? This weave pattern right here looks like it's just zigzagged. This weave pattern looks tightly, knitted together. So for all you non-car enthusiasts that don't know what real carbon fiber looks like, this is real carbon fiber. All of this other carbon fiber I have in here, it's hydro dipped. All of this stuff is hydro dipped. This is the only real carbon fiber piece I have in here. Everything else is hydro dipped. So that was a quick lesson for you car enthusiast personnel. But yeah, man, this thing looks sick. I love it. So the next piece that I will be getting for the Berserker to finish off my interior will be the knee bolsters. And I'm going to actually get the real carbon fiber knee bolsters as well. So yeah, man, And then I'm still on the debate if I should just take all of this hydro dipped carbon fiber off and get the real carbon fiber like this. You guys let me know in the comment section what you guys think, if I should stick with this hydro dipped carbon fiber or get everything matching real carbon fiber. I mean, it doesn't look bad, you know, next to the hydro dip carbon fiber. It still shines, you know what I mean? So it still shines and it all still looks good. So like from here, you can't even tell. You would think, okay, yeah, it's just, you know, it's just all carbon fiber. But let me know in the comment section. You know, this was a quick little install video. Like I said, you know, all it has is a 3M tape on the back, heat it up, form it to the center console, and boom, there it is. Quick and easy installation. Only took me like 2-3 minutes to do. So yeah. Almost forgot. So if you have a 2016 to 2020 Camaro and you would like to get some of the interior mods that I have on my car, hit up Next Gen Speed. You know, they sponsor me. I'll leave a link in the description for my code, my discount code. Also, if you want that same piece that I just put in the car, go to True Fiber on Instagram. Hit those guys up. I mean, there's a lot of different companies that sell carbon fiber stuff, but these are the companies that I know. You know, Next Gen Speed, that's where I got all my carbon fiber you've seen around my steering wheel and everywhere else. They have like a bundle, but it's the hydro dip. It was $5.95 for all that hydro dip. They have real carbon fiber too, but it's not a bundle, so you have to buy each piece separate. So at that time, when I was looking for mines, I was like, I mean, they got a bundle. It's like 22 pieces. I mean, I can't go wrong with that. $595. So, hey, I went for it. So, yeah. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. That was just a quick little video to give you guys some more insight on my interior mods that I'm doing. So, like I said earlier, I'm gonna get the knee bolsters and carbon fiber, real carbon fiber, put those on, and I think I'll be done with my actual interior for the Berserker. And later on down the line, I'm gonna get better floor mats. I'm gonna re-get my same floor mats, but some newer ones, because these only had them for a few months and they're already looking, you know, kind of messed up. So then I'll be done with my interior mods for the Berserker. Exterior mods, I got some more things coming. You know, I'm thinking about wrapping the car. You know, I got a color in mind, but if you guys got a color in mind that you think would look cool on a Berserker, you know, hit me down in the comment section, let me know. I was thinking about a carbon fiber wrap for the whole car, but I figured I tallied that up. That's going to be a lot of money. My one of the wrap guys I talked to said starting out it'll be $3,800. It can go up from there. So I was like, yeah, I probably will stick with a regular wrap, like one color wrap. So, you know, we'll see. But hopefully next year the Berserker will get a whole new look. The silver is cool. I love my silver. But I just want something different because I attend a lot of car shows. So I just want something different next year. So yeah. And you guys let me know if you like seeing car shows. You know, I can do videos of car shows when I'm out there. I never do because I figure, you know, a lot of folks on YouTube don't want to see car shows. They rather see other car related videos. But if you guys like to see car show videos, let me know down in the comment section, and make sure when the car season starts back up, I will make sure I have my setup so I can go ahead and record car show videos. But yeah, you know, we got a lot of content coming up. You know, my boy Q, I'm gonna get him in some more videos with his car. He's about to get his wrap. We're gonna reveal that. So yeah, man, just let me know down in the comment section what you guys would like to see on this channel, and I'll do my best to make it happen. Until next time, we out. Peace.